Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a chat or chat box on the screen for your Streamlabs OBS or Streamlabs desktop. So as you can see here, we have a few sources here: overlay, audio and screen capture, of course, and alert box. We did that on another video, so check that out. But if you want to add a chat or chat box on your screen where your chat can see them, going down wherever you want to put them, it's very easy. What you want to do is add another source. So click on this, and here what you want to do, everything is here, but to make it easier for you, you look to the top options, just click on widget, and on widget you're going to see chat box on the second row in the middle. So click on that, right? And here you click add source. You don't need to change that, I think, so just do that. And then theme, Twitch, yeah, sure, let's do that. And as you can see here, this is a preview of what you can expect or see once chat starts to flow, right? So you can hide your delay, you can chat delay, you can just tweak this out afterwards. So just click on that, and here this is going to be the chat box. So when they start chatting with you, this is where you're going to see it. You can resize it a bit, make it, oops. So again, go to chat box like that. You can make it bigger, smaller. Let's make it smaller like that. Let's put a chat here, maybe there. So once that starts playing, once people start chatting with you, here, this is pretty much where your literal chat box is at in your interface in your Streamlabs, but it's going to be showing here on the bottom right of your screen. So that's where they can see that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. See you on the next one.